MongoDB provides interns with multiple resources, from the bridge building program to your mentors to your manager, and the early talent team, I would say, is the first resource that we interact with.
We really just set goals for myself throughout the term, and if I have any questions outside of the immediate technical work I'm doing regarding the program or anything else, I know I can go to her.
The recruiting team was a big part of why I chose MongoDB, and specifically that was my recruiter, and now he's my program manager, which has just been great.
So I've been fortunate enough to work with 2 different program advisors last summer and this summer. Just from recruitment to being here and to our bi-weekly check-ins, I felt really connected to both of my program advisors.
I've received formal mentorship through a senior PM on my team, and I've learned foundational PM skills, things like being user-centric and data-driven.
My mentor really asked me to look into the code, understand, and ask questions about existing procedures. He always tells me that you're bringing a new perspective into the team. Don't think that just because you're entering, you don't know as much as the rest of the team.
The bridge building program has been great. I'm part of MongoDB API, which is the Asian Pacific Islander group. You get people that you feel comfortable with, once again, outside of your team, but just knowing that there's people similar to you inside the office who have similar thoughts and people you could reach out to.
I opted in to be a part of 2 ERGs, or employee resource groups, which is Black employees at MongoDB and MongoDB Women, and I was able to get an inclusion guide who is in both ERGs. So in our very first chat with each other, she introduced me to MongoDB's LeafyGreen design system, and I had learned about that only from her, but I was able to incorporate it into my internship project. And my team was very impressed by that, but I would have only been able to learn that by interacting with my inclusion guides.